Hello guys and welcome to Programming Challenges video series in Python programming by Amulya's Academy. Here what I'll do is I will give you a challenge, that is I'll ask you to write a program and you need to write the program. That's it. So this is the first video in this series. So the first program I want you to write is, I want you to write a program to print output from number 71 to 80. So I want output like this: 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80. We can write this program easily, right? Like this. We can use a loop and we can take the range from 71 to 81, and if I execute this, it will print the number like this, 71 to 80. It's very easy, right? So let's add a twist to this. We need to write this program but without using any numbers in the program. Here you can see in this program we have 71 and 81. These are the numbers, right? Now my challenge is you can't use numbers in the program. Now if you are thinking I'll just make it string by using double quotes and I'll convert that to int, then using int function, and I'll do this like this. I say no, you can't do this. Even though we are writing 71 as the string value, but I don't want to see any numbers in the program. Even though 71 is present inside the double quotes, 71 is a number, right? Even though it is in the string form, it is a number. I don't want to see any numbers in the program. Now pause this video and think how to write this program. Got any idea to write the program? If yes, then no problem. If not, then don't worry, we'll do it together. So now let's analyze the problem. We want to print numbers as the output from 71 to 80. But I can't use any numbers in the program. So let's see from where we can get numbers without using the numbers. One way is you can use ASCII values. You know the ASCII value of capital A is 65, right? You can use character and you can find out its ASCII value and you can use that in the program to print the numbers. Now as I said, the capital A ASCII value is 65, B is 66, C is 67, D is 68, E is 69, F is 70, is 71. Okay, like that, and we want till 81, right? Now we have the ASCII value of A, B, C, D till Q. You can write more if you want. Now we want starting value from 71, so ASCII value of G, and we need to take the range till 81, that is the ASCII value of Q. If I get a function which will give us the output as the ASCII value of character, then we can use this in our program. We have a function called ORD function. ORD function in Python accepts a string of length 1 as an argument and returns the Unicode code point representation of the passed argument. And in the case of ASCII value and Unicode code, from 0 to 127 have the same meaning in ASCII as well as they have in Unicode. Now here you can use ORD function to find out the ASCII value. I need to take from 71, so if I find ORD of G, it will give 71. Then I need to take range till Q. So here in the program, instead of taking this, I'll use ORD function, and here I'll use, as I said, G capital and till Q, like this. Now if I execute this program, and here you can see the output. Okay, so I'm using ASCII values of the character to print the numbers. I'm not taking the numbers directly. This function will return as a number. Alright, so this is about this program. If you know any other method, then don't forget to share with us. It may help many people. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.